Hi guys, my name's Dan and welcome to the Mini Painter Hub. Okay, so this video is aimed at people who have just started their mini hobbies and have limited paints and equipment at their disposal. In these series of videos, we're going to aim to just limit ourselves with 3 paints and 2 stains and see if we can get some awesome looking minis to tabletop standard. Before we start, let's make sure we thin our paints. This is really important as it gives us smoother layers and makes our minis shine. Okay, so I've put up on the screen now a picture of my water to paint ratio that I'll be using today. Now, I tend to make it a little bit thinner than most people, essence why I use 2 coats. Now, it's a good basis to start on, and this is what I will be using throughout the painting tutorial. Let's start off with Reckard Flesh as the base paint for our Poxwalker's flesh. Remember to do this all over and allow the paint to dry before repeating for the second coat. These are the differences between 1 layer and 2 layers. As you can see, the opacity of the second one is much greater quality. Now we're going to repeat the same process, but now with a Death Guard green for his trousers. The lead voucher for his weapon. At this point is a good time to clean up any mistakes that you've made using your base paints. Now with all the base paint finished, we're going to go on to the stains. First stain we're going to use is Reckard Flesh Tone, and that's going to be on his skin. With this stain I recommend to apply it sparingly to all the model, not allowing it to pool. second stain, Agrax Earthshade. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put that on a little bit heavier than we've done with the previous stain, and give that emphasis of those accessories on his trousers. The skin with Rakar Flash. So we're going to pay particular attention to the raised areas such as the stomach and the muscles. After placing a few highlights, I quickly clean my brush, and using the clean brush I feather in the colours. This gives a better transition between the two colours. Trousers with Death Guard green. Going to do the same technique with the lead voucher for the weapon. Now we're going to pick out some details of the belt buckles with lead voucher, and some of the maggots on his skin with Rakar Flash. Finally, we'll get some more Rakar Flash and highlight the eyes and the teeth. And there we have it. Our Nurgle Poxwalker, finished with 3 paints and just 2 stains. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like and subscribe button, that helps me out a lot. And please do comment to see if you want any more videos like this one, and we'll keep this series going. This has been Mini Painter Hub. My name's Dan, and see you in the next one.